In this video, you're going to discover how easy it is with Lifter LMS to set up a course with its sections and lessons. So we're going to get into the architecture of how to do that and just how easy it is with Lifter LMS. So we're looking at a course page here, and you can see over here in the course syllabus we have sections and lessons. Some have been completed by this particular user, some have not. We can go inside the lessons and we can see here's a video lesson here. This one's been completed. This one has not. So how do we create this architecture where we have these courses, sections, and lesson? Well, if we go into the back end of a course, you can see that there is something called the course builder right here. So you can see we've got the course outline that's comprised of sections and lessons. These are drag and drop. So let's set one of these up real quick from scratch. So let's go ahead and create a quick sample course. You can go to courses and either click add course here or up here. And we'll give our course a name. Create the course. And then over here in the course outline, we want to start adding sections. So we'll give this first section a name called Introduction. And we're going to add a lesson. So let's do our introduction lesson. And we're going to put that inside the introduction section. And now let's go ahead and add another section called method. And then we will add a new lesson there, lesson 1, and we'll put that in the methods section. And we'll add another lesson called lesson 2, add that to the method section. Now again, this is all drag and drop, so if you ever need to move things around or move entire sections around, you can do that. So from the course builder, you can then jump to the various lessons and start adding content to the course, and we'll go over that in just a second. What these symbols right here mean is if there's a prerequisite in place, so that if there is a quiz assigned, if there is a drip content delay here, and if it's missing lesson content. So these little icons are designed to give you a visual representation so you're double checking your course at a high level to make sure you have it set up the way you want it. And you can always delete a lesson, jump right over to edit the content, or edit the name of the lesson in the description, and so on. And that is a quick tour of how to build the course architecture, the syllabus structure with Lifter LMS.